Alright, 49, your engine assembly. This task coupled the removal of the installation Toolkit SE494097CLE12 with the equipment reference of the paragraph 37. Material parts, dry cleaning solvent, condition and description, engine hood removed. Warning, components for the locomotive have the ability to be awkward to handle with the correct lifting procedure to indicate the lifting device or assistance for the personnel to avoid injury. Remove the diesel engine with the check for the water with the oil have been drained with the battery switch is in the open position. Remove the repairing brake valve with the component check with the airline with the pipe with the corrosion of the brake to the sides of the splits are loose and connected to the repair. The airline's pipe is considered to replace the defective pipeline with the connection referred to TM5522102234P for the identification pipe with the repair of the right side engineer of the diesel engine with the removal of the following. Remove the 6-bolt lock washer 1 with the engine coupling shroud 3 with the punch mark main generator to flywheel. Remove the 4 bolts and nuts 5. Remove the 2 radiator pipe cap clamp 6 and 7 hose. Remove the radiator vent line 8. Remove the 2 bolts 9 with the lock washer 10 with the nuts 11 the fuel filter canister 12. Disconnect the fuel line 13 with the fuel transfer pump 14 with the disconnect with the injector fuel return line hose 15 with the remove of the bolt 16 with the clamp 17 tag and disconnect the emergency fuel shutdown harness 18 with the disconnect the water pump drain pipe 19 disconnect the air control line 20 disconnect the oil pressure safety switch 21. Disconnect the oil pressure warning switch 22. Remove the 4 bolts 23 with the washer 24 with the pump housing 25. Prepare the left side with the fire main side with the diesel engine. Remove the following. Disconnect the oil pan drain housing 26 with the diesel engine heat drainage valve 26. And remove the 4 shrouded mounted bolts 28 with the lock washer 29. Remove the shroud 30 with remove the 8 coupler bolts 31 lock washer 32. Disconnect the engine heater harness, remove the clamp, disconnect the cab heater hose, and remove the radiator overflow hose, remove the 36, remove the bolt lock washer and clamp 39, disconnect the 2 clamp, the radiator hose 41, disconnect the 2 temperature sending units 42, remove the 28 mounting bolts on the 43 in the washer, the left side of the right side of the engine skid. Station a person on each side of the locomotive to observe lifting operation to check that there is no binding occurs. You with the taglines to stay the engine warning. Components of the locomotive are heavy. They may be awkward to handle. You with the correct lifting procedure with indicating lifting device assisting other personnel to avoid injury. The engineer may have its own lifting eyes. Use a suitable lifting device. Lift the diesel engine from the locomotive lower to the ground. Set the suitable support device. Refer to TM 52815-232-14 for the disassembly, repair, and assembly of the diesel engine. Installation. Station a person on each side of the locomotive to observe the installation operation to check with the no binding occur with the U with the tagline to stay with the engine. Warning, component of the locomotive are heavy and may be awkward to handle the U with the correct lifting procedure with the indicating lift device assistant for the other personnel to avoid injury. Cause and care should be taken when lifting the engine to prevent damage for the other components. Use suitable lift device lifting the diesel engine above the locomotive slowly lower to the deck. Install 28 mounting bolts, 43 of the washer, 44 on left and right side of the engine. Can lift the installation. Continue install the left side of the fire main side of the diesel engine by the following. Install the radiator hose 41, 2 clamps 2, 40. Connect the 2 temperature sending units 42 for the install of the clamp 35 secure cab heater 34s. And connect the engine heater harness 33. Install the 8 coupler bolts 31, lock washer 32. Install the shroud 34, lock washer 29, 29, the shroud mounting bolts 28, the connecting radiator overflow hose 36, and the install the clamp at 39, lock washer 38, bolt 37. Connect the engine heater drain valve 27, then connect the oil pan drain housing 26. Then install the right side engineer side of the diesel engine by the following. Install the 4 washer 24, bolt 23, and the pump housing 25. Connect the oil pressure warning switch 22, the connect the oil pressure safety switch 21. Connect the air control line 20, connect the water pump drain 19, connect the emergency fuel shutdown harness 18. Remove the tags. Connect the engine fuel return line hose. Install the bolt and clamp 15, 16, and 17. Connect the fuel line 13. Fuel transfer pump 14. Install the fuel filter canister 12. The 2 lock washers 10 bolts 9 and nuts 11. Installation continued. Install the radiator vent line 8. Install the hose and 2 radiator pipe clamps 6. Then line the punch marks on the main generator, the flywheel. Install the 16 lock washers and 5 and the bolts 4. With the install the engine coupling shroud 3 with the 6 bolts 1 and the lock washer 2. Refer to paragraph 336 for the alignment procedure for the main generator.